In this video, I'll show you how to use ClipChamp, which is an online video editing app that all CSC staff and students have access to through their Office 365 account. I won't cover all the bells and whistles that ClipChamp can do. Instead, I'll just show you the basics on how to edit a video and how to get it into your class on Canvas. Before we get started, this is what you'll need. So you'll need to be able to log into your Office 365 account at Chadron State College. You'll need your Canvas account, assuming that that's where we're going to put your videos. You're going to need your laptop, and we're going to use the built-in microphone and webcam on that laptop. If you don't have a webcam or microphone, please contact IT or work with us and we can get you one so you can start making your own videos. You could use this app with more advanced camera and microphone setup, but as I said before, I'm not going to go into the bells and whistles, just the basics. All right, so our first step is to go find ClipChamp. You'll want to log into your Office 365 account. You might call that your Outlook Online, your Mail account, your OneDrive, SharePoint, whatever. Go log into that account. Once you're in there, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to have that waffle grid, and it'll bring up some apps. Now, mine shows ClipChamp right away because I use it often enough. You probably don't, so you're going to hit More Apps. So the thing about ClipChamp, it's actually tied in with another app called Stream. So we're going to be looking for two apps, either Stream or ClipChamp. I see ClipChamp right away here. If you see that, click on it now. Otherwise, we might need to go dig in more to all apps again. So we're going to go scroll through and we're looking for ClipChamp or Stream. Either one of those apps will connect us. Here's my ClipChamp. I could click on it right now, go into the app I need. Or if you see Stream, click on Stream, go to that. So after clicking on Stream or ClipChamp, you're going to find this screen. You probably don't have as much information as I see because these are all the videos I've created in the past. And then you're going to have these options to create a new something. The something new we want to create is actually a video project. That's going to give us all the tools that make it worth it. So clicking on Video Project, and then ClipChamp will load up in your browser. So here's ClipChamp. I'm not going to talk about the layout of things just yet because it won't make much sense until we have some video going on in there. So that's going to be our next step, is let's record a video quick. So on the left side panel, we're going to click on the Record and Create button. Now we have some options about what we want to create. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use screen and camera just so I can show you both in one shot. So after clicking that, it's probably going to prompt you for permission to use your camera and permission to record your screen. You can see that mine has come up right away. I got my camera is previewing already. So I also need to choose which screen I'm going to record. Click on that and we'll see all the options. So you can record just a particular tab. So I have all my tabs in Chrome. Which one do I want to use? I could go over, do I want to record a whole window? So do I want to record my Outlook window, a Chrome window? I have a chat going in Teams. And then the last option, I can record the entire monitor screen. This is what I tend to use just because I'm swapping between windows often and I want the video recorded to go with me rather than being locked in that window. So I'm going to record the same one we're on right now, screen 3. So you saw that it counted down. As soon as I selected my screen, it counted down. So you need to be kind of ready for that. As soon as you select your screen, it's going to count you down and start recording. I am recording right now, and I can switch between my tabs, and the recorder is capturing all that. It's capturing my mouse moving around, and it's also capturing my video you can see right now. And when you're ready to be done, hit stop. It's going to take a little bit to process the video. So there, it got done processing the video, and then it brought it up in a window and started auto playing. That's so that you can review it. Was this any good, or did I totally botch that take? So if you need to retake it, you could hit the retake recording button. I tend not to use retake unless it was really bad and short. I kind of feel like there's probably something good in that take, and so I'm going to save and edit it, and I'll clip out the good stuff for later. But I just don't like the fact that this is going to completely delete that take altogether. So I'm going to hit save and edit. Now that we have something going on in our video, we can actually talk about the layout. So on the left side, I have my media. These are the different media objects I have loaded in right now. I could also load in photos and music and stuff in here and drop those in. So this one is the screen recording, and then this one is my camera recording. Then I have my video screen. So this is what the students would see. So if I play it through, whatever plays on that screen is what's going to end up in the video. And then down below is your timeline. So we got 0 seconds all the way to the final 35 seconds and what happens in between. This app is called ClipChamp because clipping is the name of the game. So I'm going to say that like this zone right here was not great. So I'm going to move my playhead line. This is the playhead line to that position. And then I'm going to use the scissors to split it there. It just sliced it through. And I'm going to move it to the end of that. Playhead is in the position I like, and then slice it. Now that I have it sliced on either end, I have this clip. So now I can move this clip around, or I can just completely delete it, and then I have a gap here. And ClipChamp will automatically say, let's delete this gap, and it shoves it together. You can also drag this out, and now I can fine adjust that. Maybe I just need to add a little bit onto that clip and then bring it back together. So I'm going to show you one last editing move before we talk about how to publish it. So on the left-hand side, you have all these other buttons, other stuff you can add onto your video into the layers. So the first one is text. Just grab text and you can drop it on in that position in time. It's only going to show that text from here and then stop here and it's going to disappear. And I can type on that just like normal PowerPoint editing would work. Okay. I can also drag that around if I need to, if I want it to show the text for longer, if I need it to start showing at a different point in time, I just slide it around. Same idea as everything else in ClipChamp. Hopefully you're figuring that out. We can add music onto it if we need some background music. We have videos that we can add, some stock images, and some graphics. So ClipChamp can do a whole lot more. I just gave you the basics. There's plenty of tutorials out there on the internet that can show you some of these more advanced things you might want to do, transitions, fades, and cool stuff. But let's just say that my video is now a masterpiece. I've multiple times have played it through, double checked it. It's wonderful. It's exactly what my students need. So we're going to go up to the upper right and we're going to hit export. And you're going to now name your file. It is going to store it up in your OneDrive account. It'll show you where it's going to put it in OneDrive. It'll have a ClipChamp folder for you. Hitting export. Exports will take longer depending on the length of the video. So it's created this MP4 file for us. Now we're going to click on Save to your computer. All right, so my video completed downloading and I did some fast forwarding in the background. We're now in Canvas and I'm editing a page and we're going to drop our video on this lesson overview page I have in my modules. In the Rich Content Editor toolbar, I'm going to click on this button here to record, upload a media. So I'm going to upload my media. I'm going to go find that video file we downloaded out of ClipChamp. There it is. And we're going to hit submit. Same old story, this could take a while to upload into Canvas depending on how long your video is. And then at the very end, just save your page on Canvas like normal. And now your students can watch your video. If you'd like some more advanced training on ClipChamp, feel free to talk to us. We're at the TLPEC. We're here for you.